welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am bringing kind of a new video from what I've been posting, but a really exciting video. We are going to be doing an unboxing of my very first Sheabassador box. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know all about this. I've been talking about it like crazy. But before we get started, I just want to give a little bit of information about what it is. So I applied to be one of the Sheamoisture ambassadors. They were promoting this all over their social media platforms, that they were looking for some people to represent their brand. So I sent in a 30-second clip, which was like one of the requirements. And y'all, when I tell y'all, it was like so spontaneous, out of the blue. I was at work. It was the last day to submit stuff. Like, it was the deadline, and I submitted it, and ta-da, they picked me. So once a month, once every 2 months, they'll be sending me boxes filled with products like this. And with these products, I'm going to be bringing you guys reviews, tutorials, and just bringing you guys stuff that is super exclusive for just us ambassadors. So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to cut it here. Oh, I would be the one to cut my finger off on YouTube, but not today. No. Wow, check it out, check it out. So this is what the box looks like. And let's see. So this is just a little card that talks about each product and what it does, its ingredients, stuff like that. Sheabassador 2019. That is me. This is, okay, so this just is giving almost like a little overview of what my position jobs are and duties, what they expect to me, what kind of content, all that goodies. Let's get into this stuff. So first we have the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. Then we have the Manuka, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. Then we have the 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Conditioner. Now, Sheamoisture did change their labels and their packaging, so these are all new labels on their products, and I think they look amazing. I definitely like the new labels for sure. Then we have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo. Now this line, the Black Castor Oil line, I am super familiar with. I have used the shampoo, the conditioner, the edge control oil, all like the whole entire line, and I loved everything about it. So this is not a new product. The rest of this stuff I've never tried before. I've heard about it, I've seen about it online, but I've never tried that. So this I'm familiar with, and this is amazing. Then we have the Sugarcane Extract Silicone-Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. Okay, I'm back. I was having some serious technical difficulties, but I'm back in action. This was the last thing that we were going through. This is the silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. Again, this kind of reminds me of like a leave-in conditioner type product. And last, we have a nice round brush with a cute little wooden handle. Oh, that's nice. They have their logo engraved. And that is all of my goodies in my first Sheamoisture brand ambassador box. Let me know if you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, make sure you share this all over, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that bell below so you get notified whenever I post a video, because I'm about to bring y'all some bomb stuff with my stuff. Bomb stuff with my stuff. Thank you for watching, and until next time.